Along the standard exercise 2.3 represent the following inequalities in the interval notation. So given problem is, first problem is x greater minus 1 and x less than 4. Second problem x less than 5 and x greater or minus 3. Third one x less than minus 1 or x less than 3. Then last one minus 2x greater than 0 or 3x minus 4 less than 11. So first we have to discuss about solution for one by one. So first problem, solution 1, x greater minus 1 and x less than 4. X greater minus 1 and x less than 4, we have find the interval notation. So first we have drawn the number line. The number line is up to minus infinity to plus infinity is a number line. It is meaning that x greater minus 1. So x lies between minus 1. This one is, for example, minus 1. So x takes the value greater minus 1. So all the value for greater minus 1. X take for all value for greater minus 1. Then after that x less than 4 minus 1. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is meaning that x takes the value for all x less than 4. So x less than 4 is the 4, the fourth value. This one is minus 1 value. So x less than 4, x takes the value for less than value for 4. So throw value for less than up to minus infinity. X takes the value for less than 4, meaning that x is the value 4 up to minus infinity. X greater minus 1 is meaning that x takes the value up to minus 1 to plus infinity. Therefore, the common intersection term of solution, the common intersection term is 1, 2, 4 is the common intersection term of the solution. Therefore, both the common intersection term is minus 1 to 4. Therefore, x belongs to greater 1. Strictly greater is meaning that it is open interval. So open interval to minus 1 comma less than 4. Open interval to 4 is the solution for first problem. Interval notation. It is interval notation. The first problem is open interval. Then problem number 2, subdivision. The second problem is x less than or 5 and x greater or minus 3. So again we have drawn the number line. The number line is up to minus infinity to plus infinity. So it is meaning that x takes the value less than 5. So less than 5. So approximately this one is 5. Let us take 5. This meaning that x takes the value for less than 5. So 5 and up to minus infinity. So x take all value for negative part of minus infinity. Then x greater minus 3. So approximately this one is x is minus 3. So it is meaning that x takes the value for greater minus 3. So take greater minus 3 and greater minus 3 up to x takes for all value for plus infinity. Then the intersection point of x is 3 and 5. This one is intersection part. So x, the solution lies between, solution of x lies between minus 3 to 5. Therefore, x belongs to both are less than or. Less than or meaning that it is closed interval. Closed interval minus 3 to closed interval 5 is the notation, interval notation for second problem. So third problem, solution 3, x less than minus 1 or x less than 3. X less than minus 1 or x less than 3. So again we have draw the number line. Draw the number line up to minus infinity to plus infinity. X less than 1. So approximately this one is minus 1. So x less than 1 meaning that x takes the value for all up to minus 1. Minus 1 to infinity. Again 3 minus 1. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3. X less than 3 meaning that x takes the value for less than up to 3. Less than up to 3. It is clear that less than up to 3. Therefore, the totally x lies between plus 3 to minus infinity. Totally x lies between plus 3. The maximum value of x is plus 3. Then the minimum value of this x is minus infinity. So x belongs to minus infinity comma 3 is the open interval for minus infinity to 3. It is no for this problem cannot be taken for common interval because common term because both are slides negative limit or meaning and meaning is intersection common area or meaning union. Is clear that already I have discussed about probability and is meaning that both intersection take common area or is meaning that union of limit. So x belongs to minus infinity to 3. This one is third problem. Then fourth subdivision. The fourth subdivision is minus 2x greater 0 or 3x minus 4 less than 11. Minus 2x greater 0 or 3x minus 4 less than 11. So again, first we have simplify this inequality. Simplify this inequality, multiply by minus on both sides. So 2x minus multiplied by greater or less than 0. Therefore, x less than 0 by 2, x less than 0 is the first inequality value. Then second inequality value 3x minus 4. 3x less than 11 plus 4. The minus 4 goes to right side term. This one is plus 4. Therefore, 3x less than 15. X less than 15 by 3. X less than 5. So x takes the value less than 5. Draw the number line. Take number line up to minus infinity to plus infinity. X less than 0. This is the approximate value for 0. Less than 0 is meaning that x takes the value for all x minus infinity. Take all value for minus infinity. Then x less than 5. So 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again x less than 5 is meaning that x takes the value for strictly less than 5. So 5 to up to minus infinity. 5 to minus infinity. Therefore, the maximum limit for x is 5 and the minimum limit for x is minus infinity. So x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma again open interval 5. This is the interval notation for fourth problem. So first subdivision we have fourth problem, then the interval notation is. First problem is completed. Second problem, solve 3x less than 100 when subdivision one is x is an natural number, second is x is an integer. So what value for this inequality when x is natural number, then x is integer? To solve one by one. So we get solution. First the value of simplify this inequality 23x less than 100. Let us say divided by 23 x less than 100 divided by 23. Therefore, the value of x is 100 divided by 23 x less than 4 times 23. So 92 and remainder 8. So again 3 times 23. So x is 4 less than 3. So x takes the value for less than 4.3. Draw the number line. minus infinity to plus infinity. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.3. 4.3, so approximately. So x takes the value for less than 4.3, meaning that x take all value for minus infinity, less than 4 to minus infinity. So consider as the first condition is x is a natural number. So x is a natural number. First one is x is a natural number. Natural number. So natural number start with from number system. Natural number start with from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. infinity. Therefore, x take the solution for only strictly less than 4.3. Strictly less than 4.3. So including 4, 3, 2, 1, not in 0 because start with 1 to 4. Therefore, solution is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the solution for x. If a condition is x is natural number, then x is an integer. Second condition is x is an integer. X is an integer. So integers start with from the number system. Integers denoted by z 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 plus or minus 4 etc. plus or minus infinity. This is the number system for integers. So less than 4.3. So less than 4.3 including 4 up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. infinity. So x takes value for minus etc. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 4 is the solution for x is an integer because natural numbers start 1 to infinity, integers start minus infinity to plus infinity. So less than 4 meaning that take value for minus infinity. Second problem. The same as third problem. Third problem is there are x is 3 conditions. First one is x is a real number. Second one is x is an integer. Third one is x is a natural number. So first we have solve this inequality. Minus 2x greater or 9. So multiply by minus 1 on both sides. 2x greater or close to less than or minus 9. Therefore, x less than or minus 9 by 2. X less than or 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is approximately x less than or minus 428.15. Draw the number line in minus infinity to plus infinity minus 4.5. So approximately this one is minus 4.5 up to 0. So x takes a value for less than 4.5. Minus 4.5 to up to minus infinity, take all value in x. So first condition is x is a real number. X is a real number. Real number is nothing but all the value rational number union irrational number. The first one is x is a real number. So x is a real number. Real number is minus p by q form also include and minus infinity. So x is solution for minus infinity minus 9 by 2 within include because 9 by 2 belongs to real line or every real number is equal to rational number union irrational number. It is called real number. So rational number is in form of p by q form. Irrational number is root p form. So all the number system depends upon real number. So the solution of x is a real number minus infinity to 9 by 2. Second condition is x is an integer. Second one is x is an integer. integer, then x takes the values. Integers nothing but minus infinity to plus infinity, take all value. So 9 by 2 minus 4.5 strictly less than. So 4.5 the less than value is minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 up to minus infinity. It's clear that minus infinity. Therefore, etc. minus 7, minus 6, minus 5 is the solution for integers. It's clear that x is an integer. Then third condition is natural number. Natural number. X is an natural number. So natural number start with from 0 up to 4, but x takes the value of less than minus negative point, so negative part. So natural number has no solution. When x is a natural number, then it has no solution. It has no solution because x less than minus 4.5. A natural number start with from 1 to only for positive term, but x is negative term. So x is natural number, it has no solution. This is the third problem and second problem completed. Fourth problem, solve summation 1. 3 into x minus 2 by 5 less than or 5 into 2 minus x by 3. 2 minus x by 3. So we get the solution. First we have simplified the denominator term in inequality. So denominator term 3 into x minus 2 by 5 strictly less than or 5 into 2 minus x by 3. So cross multiple 3 by left side term, 5 by right side term. We have denominator number is simplified. So 3 into 3, 9 into x minus 2 strictly less than 25 into 2 minus x. If you multiply by cross term, then the inequality is no changes. Anything number or minus multiple by both sides, then the inequality will be changed. But otherwise, the inequality not change. So I multiply by 9 in left hand side, 9x minus 9 into 2, 18 less than or 25 to 15 minus 25x. This clear that? Then after that, take minus 8 in right side term, minus 25x in left side term. Therefore, 9x plus 25x. 9x plus 25x strictly less than 50 plus 18. This clear that? 50 plus 18. 9x plus 25x, 34x. 34x less than or 50 plus 18, 68. Therefore, x less than or 68 by 34, x less than or 134 to 234, x less than or 2. So x takes the value for less than or 2. Draw the number line minus infinity to plus infinity. This one is 0, 1, 2. So it is meaning that x takes the value for all 2 and less than infinity. So minus infinity we have take all value. Therefore the number, the solution of x is minus infinity comma plus 2. Problem number first one is the solution interval is minus infinity comma 2. So again we have solved same procedure or method for second problem. So we see the solution. So 5 minus x. 5 minus x by 3 strictly less than x minus, take LCM in 2 to 4. So x minus 8 by 2. Is this clear? take LCM in 4 divided by 2. So x minus 8. Again cross multiple. Multiple by 2 in left side, 3 in right side term. Therefore 2 into 5 minus x less than 3 into x minus 8. 2 into 5 minus x, 3 into x minus 8. Multiple by 2 on top. 2 into 5, 10 minus 2x less than 3x minus 24. This later 3x minus 24 multiple by 3 in terms of this simplification. So after that minus 2x, take minus 2x in right side term plus 24 to left side term. So 10 plus 24 strictly less than 3x plus 2x. Therefore 34 less than 5x. 34 less than 5x. Write down the equation rearrange method. 5x greater than 34. 5x greater than 34. Therefore x is greater than 34 by 5. So approximately x is greater than 34 by 5. 6 5s are 30. So remainder 4. 8 5s are 40. Therefore x is greater than 6.8. Draw the number line. Minus infinity to plus infinity. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6.8 greater than 6.8 up to plus infinity. Therefore the value of x is x belongs to open interval. 6.8 is here. Any number for 34 by 5 to infinity. 34 5 to infinity or 6.8 to or x belongs to 6.8 to plus infinity. Both are same solution. Problem number 4. Submission 1 and 2 are completed.